All right, here we are. Homework solutions for Chapter 4, Lesson 3, Day 2 of Real-World Problems Involving Ratios. You know the drill. Textbook page 212, 213. Questions 5 through 10 specifically are related to this. So Reese and Isaac bought a present and showed the cost in a ratio of 3 to 8. So Reese, Isaac, we know it was 3 to 8. These are purple. Isaac paid $15 more than Reese. Find the total cost of the present. So we have Reese. We have Isaac. It's a 3 to 8. There's 1. We need, we don't need that many. Oops. Okay, let me slow it down. All right, 3 to 8. So we have 4. Now we have 8. Okay, great. And we know here's Reese's, and here's Isaac's. All right. So the other piece of information that the problem gave us was that Isaac spent $15 more than Reese. So that means this portion here has a value of $15. So there are 5 units with a value of $15. So that must mean that 15 divided by 5 would give us 1 unit. So each unit is $3. And if I write these in here, that would be a great way for me to check 3 times 3, or 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 does equal 15. And now we want to know the total cost. So if Reese is 3 boxes, Isaac is 8, that must mean we have 11 total units of 3, which means we would do 11 groups of 3, or 11 times 3, and that is 33. So the present cost $33. Awesome. So Dylan, Harlow, and Olivia sold magnets in the ratio of 5 to 3 to 4 to raise funds for Roots and Shoots. Harlow sold 81 magnets. How many magnets did Dylan and Olivia sell in all? Interesting. So we have Dylan, 5. Here he is as well. Harlow, 3, and she sold 81 magnets. And then Olivia is 4, and we want to know Dylan and Olivia all together. So we have Dylan, Harlow, Olivia. Dylan sold 5. Harlow sold 3. And Olivia sold 4. Okay, so let me give me 1 second. So Dylan, Harlow, Olivia. Now we know that Harlow's 3 units were 81 magnets, and we want to know this one and that one together. So if 3 units equals 81 magnets, we would need to do 81 divided by 3 to figure out the value of 1 unit. I know an 81 is a 60 and a 21, because 60 divided by 3 is 20, 21 divided by 3 is 7. So 1 unit equals 27 magnets. So that means 27, 27, 27. So Dylan has 5, Olivia has 4. That means there are 9 units between the two of them, and each unit is 27. So we need to do 9 times 27. I know if I think of this like a 20 and a 7, that will be 9 times 20, or 180, plus 9 times 7, which is 63, so 243. So Dylan and Olivia sold 243 magnets. Awesome. The ratio of the amount of money Tyler saved to the amount of money Millen saved was 4 to 6. After Millen spent $40, so the amount that Millen spends is going to change. He had half as much money as Tyler. I'm going to quick show this. We have Tyler and Millen. We start out, and it was 4 to 6. So here is 4, there is 6, and it looks like Tyler was the purple, Millen was the blue. So once we're done, Millen needs to have half as much money. So if Tyler has 4 units, I know that if Millen's going to have half of that number of units, it's going to be 2 units. So that means Millen is going to have to be left with this many units after spending, because then he would have half as much money as Tyler. So that must mean that Millen spent, this here is the amount that he spent, and that has a value of $40. So those 4 units equal $40. So that must mean 1 unit is 40 divided by 4, or $10. So each of these units is 10. So Tyler saved $40, or 4 units of 10. So before Millen spent anything, how much money did they have altogether? So that is all of this here. So if Tyler had $40, Millen, he had that $40 that he had spent, plus those $20 that he had left over, which is $60. So altogether, they had $100. Or if you check it, we have 4-to-6 ratio is a total of 10 units. 10 times 10 is 100. So they had $100 before Millen spent anything. Awesome.